In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email list into Kit. We'll walk through how to bulk import your subscribers using a CSV file, so you can quickly move your audience into Kit and get back to sending campaigns. I'll explain each step as we go, and I'll share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, once you're logged into your Kit account, look at the top navigation bar and click on the option labeled Grow. This is where all of your audience and subscriber tools live. From the Grow menu, select Subscribers. This will take you to the main page where you can see and manage everyone on your list. On the Subscribers page, find and click the Add Subscribers button. This is the starting point anytime you want to bring new people into your account in bulk. When the options appear, choose Import a CSV. A CSV file is just a simple spreadsheet format that Kit can read. If your list is currently in another email tool or in a spreadsheet program, you can usually export it as a CSV file first, then bring it into Kit. You'll now see an upload window. Drag and drop your CSV file directly into that window, or use the file picker if you prefer to browse your computer. Make sure you're uploading the correct and most up-to-date list, and that you've removed any test or duplicate contacts beforehand. Next, you'll have the option to select which tag or form these subscribers should be added to. This step is optional, but highly recommended. Using tags or assigning a form helps you organize your audience by source, interest, or campaign. For example, you might tag people as newsletter, customers, or webinar signups, depending on where they originally joined your list. Taking a moment to organize here will make it much easier to segment and target your emails later. After that, you'll map your columns. This means you're telling Kit which columns in your CSV file match, which fields in your subscriber profile. At a minimum, make sure that the email column in your file is matched to the email field in Kit. If you have additional columns like first name or last name, you can map those as well so that information carries over accurately. Once everything looks correct and your columns are mapped properly, click Import Subscribers. Kit will process your file, add the subscribers to your account, and apply any tags or form associations you selected. After the import finishes, you'll see your new subscribers in the list, ready for your next email campaign.